The power of vision, hallmark of great leaders. The power, depth, and breadth of their vision is what distinguishes great leaders from the rest. Vision is an intriguing concept. To quote leadership guru Warren Bennis, leadership is like beauty. It's hard to define, but you know it when you see it. Vision is much more than a goal or a purpose. Goals say clearly what we hope to accomplish. Vision provides a more complete picture of our most cherished dreams, hopes, and possibilities. Believing in possibilities. One of the characteristics of great leaders is the ability to see potentialities that others do not. John F. Kennedy had the vision to put man on the moon, which holds a great promise for mankind to conquer new frontiers of space. Elon Musk, an individual, has the vision to colonize Mars, which even many countries dare not attempt. With the current technology, it will take 7 months for a one-way journey to Mars. How many of us can take the long flights of even 10-12 hours duration? The perspectives of leaders are very different. Where most of us see a shipment of goods, leaders see an exciting product that has the potential to change someone's life. Whereas most of us envision an office with desks and filing cabinets, leaders envision a space where members of the team can do innovative work to change the world. Leaders see budding organizational champions where most of us see people with names and titles. Some people see things as they are and wonder why. George Bernard Shaw once said, "I see things that aren't and wonder why not." Political and business leaders see possibilities that are beyond the vision of an ordinary mortal. Yet, they are able to articulate the vision in simple, concise, bold, and clear terms. Concise and persuasive. Warren Bennis, a leadership guru who coached hundreds of CEOs and wrote 30 books on the subject, was fascinated by leaders' ability to see what the rest of us cannot. He conducted a study of 90 top leaders in the United States a few years ago. Neil Armstrong, the first man to set foot on the moon, was among them. Bennis discovered that despite their diverse backgrounds, disciplines, and circumstances, these people all shared one thing: a clear and compelling vision of what they wanted to achieve. The vision, according to them, was not in the distant future. It was right there in front of their eyes. An unconstrained vision. Leaders who are truly great do not limit their vision. They pursue the biggest dreams they can imagine, even if it means waiting until they are no longer alive to see it come true. Walt Disney, a filmmaker who died 6 years before the first Disney World opened, but his vision was right there in front of his eyes. Experiencing struggle and hardships molds the leaders, but their vision is always in front of their eyes. While most of us can see only a few months ahead, exceptional leaders can see several years ahead. Brunel University's Elliott Jaques believed that 1 in a million people can see 20 years ahead. Konosuke Matsushita, the Japanese industrialist, even has a 250-year plan for his company. Attracting others. Leaders do more than just envision what is possible. They articulate it and entice others to join them. They accomplish this through metaphor, images, and by appealing to everyone's innate desire to be a part of something big. The leader is able to kindle the passion required to achieve the impossible. Compare the visions of America's two leading soft drink companies in the 1920s. Moxie's, a Boston-based company, was one of them. Their stated goal was to sell herbal beverages. There's nothing to get excited about it. The other company's vision was to quench a nation's thirst. Coca-Cola was that company. Nobody remembers Moxie's any longer. Take action. Visions are only dreams unless they are followed through on. They are no longer figments of our imagination. Dreams can become a reality with action and the ability to see the steps from where we are now to where we can be. Managers at Shell UK are taught to develop a skill known as helicopter vision. This is the ability to see across 3 future time zones as if in a hovering helicopter. The nearby plains, middle range foothills and distant peaks can all be seen from here. Being able to see all 3 zones at once helps you to coordinate your tactical actions, operational planning and overall strategy. There is a clear path to the vision's realization. We all have dreams, but few of us remember them, let alone act on them. But leaders hold their dreams close to their hearts and never forget them whether waking or sleeping. They have an impact on our daily lives as well as our collective lives. They accomplish this by capturing our dreams, nurturing them with care, and eventually assisting us in bringing them to the glorious light of the day. Thank you for watching. This is Srinivasan Gopal from Motivation on the Move. Please do like, share and subscribe.